I will show you where is the location of the earn span and internal span. Come back to the model. Now take the beam, beam. I turn the slab off. Slab. Click on the cutting plane. Click on the plane. Click on the narrow side. And drop to location where to cut. Now I want to cut in the location. Escape. Come back to show the slab item. This location is the earn span. It depends on the connection. It pin, so you can check with the support document. It's the earn pin. So the L0 is equal to 0.85 L. Both earn or beam is a fixed support, so L0 is equal to 0.7 L. Earn span and for the internal span. For the internal span, you can check. It is equal to 0.7 L. Yeah, L0 is equal to 0.7 L for the internal span. And for the earn span, depend on the earn condition of the support pin or fixed left you. Earn span, internal span, internal span. Check with support document for more detail. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.